Hello everyone, I am Dharna Sachwan. Welcome to my YouTube channel Impact English. I will teach you all the English grammar topics that will be for standard 5th to graduation level students. So today we will start active and passive voice. Firstly, to know about what is an active and passive voice, we will know what is voice. So voice, it tells whether the subject of the sentence it performs or receives the action. Means in active voice, the subject it performs the action, or in passive voice, the subject it receives the action. Now see here, voice, as we know that voice are of two types, active voice and passive voice. Active and passive voice. As I told you that in active voice, the subject it performs the action. In active voice, subject performs the action. And in passive voice, the subject it receives the action. In passive voice, subject receives the action. So today we will start with simple present tense, means how to change simple present tense active voice into passive voice. Now look here, I'm writing here, he eats food. Now see here, how we know the sentence is given in the simple present tense. So whenever only first form is given in the sentence, whenever only first form is given in the sentence, that means the sentence is in a simple present tense. So here it's a first form of the verb. Now how to change this active voice into passive voice? Now see here, he it's a subject, then eats is it's a verb, and food it's an object. Now see the structure. While changing active voice into passive voice, we use subject plus is mr plus third form of the verb plus object. Now he eats food. This subject it becomes object, and this object it becomes subject in passive voice. Now here this food it's an object here. Now while changing in in passive voice, it will be here subject, so food. And whenever only singular thing is given, that time we have to use is. So here food is, here food is subject, then helping verb is, after that we have to use third form of the verb. So now here verb is eats. Now what will be the third form of eat? Eat, ate, it's a second form. Eaten, it's a third form. So third form of verb it, eat, it will be eaten. So food is eaten by this he. It will be here object, but he it will be changing to him. See here, food is eaten by him. Next example, she goes to school. Again here first form is given, that means it's a simple present tense. Now this sentence we have to change into passive voice. She it's a subject, goes it's a verb, school it's an object. Now this object here it will be subject, so school, and with singular thing we use is. School is, then third form of go it will be go, went, gone. So school is gone by, and she will be changed into her. Now next example we will take, I play cricket. So that the same structure we have to follow, subject, verb, object. This object, it will be subject here, cricket, and according to this subject we have to use helping verb. If singular thing is given, that time we have to use is. Plural things or plural person are given, that time we have to use are. So cricket is, then third form of play, played, played. So cricket is played by, then I will be changed into me. See here another. They paint the wall. Next, same. The wall is painted by, and they will be changed into them. Now we will take negative sentences of simple present tense, that how to change negative sentences of simple present tense into passive voice. Now I'm writing here, I do not eat food. Structure is same, but in this sentence after helping verb we have to add not. See, subject again is MR plus after helping verb not, then third form of the verb, and after that object. See here, food is here, object, so food is, then not, third form of verb, eaten by, and I will be changing to me. Next, she does not wash clothes. Same here, here object, clothes are given, so it will be here subject, and here helping verb we have to write according to this subject. So clothes, here clothes plural, so clothes are, then not, third form of verb washed, and she will be changed into her. Now we will learn about interrogative sentences. Now look here. Do I play cricket? See here, interrogative sentences, they always end with question mark. So this we have to change into passive voice. Now it starts with helping verb. So the structure will be is MR plus subject, then third form of the verb and object. Now this interrogative sentences, when we change this into passive voice, it starts with helping verb. So here this do is given, and this it will be changed according to this object. So is, then object, it will be here subject is cricket, then third form of verb played by, and I will be changed into me, and this helping verb we already have changed here with is. Now the second example, do I eat food? The same structure we have to follow, is food eaten by me, and they end with question mark. So today we will learn about now interrogative negative sentences, means how to change interrogative negative active voice into passive voice. Now look here, does she not wash the car? How to change? Firstly we have to write helping verb, then subject, after that not, then third form, and after that object, and these always ends with question mark. So now here it will be start with the helping verb, here does given, and here object the car is given. This helping verb it will be changed according to this object, that object it will be here subject. So here Singular thing is given, so means we will use is. So is, then subject, is the car. After subject we will write not. Third form of the verb, wash, it will be washed by, and object will be she. So she will be changed into her, and after that we have to put question mark. I hope it should be clear to everyone, those who all are watching this video, and bye for now. We will meet tomorrow again. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.